Elevator at Bluegate restaurant in Mishawaka, or no, in Chipshawana, Indiana.
We're going to go to floor 2.
Yeah.
Floor
2.
2. And it is a
Dover.
Yep.
It's a Hilton Garden Inn. It's the Hilton Garden Inn Bluegate restaurant. I swear, this is a hotel too.
Okay.
We're just not in a hotel park.
Alright. So are we gonna go down to 1 now?
Run lobby and
Lobby and then 1?
yes. Get out. No. Run, get out. Watch the door close. The door coming back up.
So we are currently going to the lobby.
Yes, I think it's a hotel.
Alright, whatever you want to
Hudson.
Yeah. Look. Show him the picture. Show her the picture of the. Show them the picture of the. Oh, you're not recording anything.
I am. Snow. So snow. There goes that thing.